children. Good morning. Children, observe these pictures. What are these places meant for, or what are they called? Temple, Taj Mahal, Gurudwara, church. These are religious places. Okay, children. Now I am going to tell you about religions in India. What is our lesson, children? Religions in India. Children, take out your course book, page number 58. Our lesson name, Religions in India. See this picture. What is this, children? Christmas tree. Who celebrates the festival associated with this? Christians. Christians celebrated this festival, Christmas festival. Next, see this picture, children. Who offers prayers as shown here? Muslims. Muslims offers prayers. See this picture. Can you guess who wears turbans as shown here? Sikhs. National festivals are celebrated by every Indian throughout the country, whereas some festivals are celebrated by few people only. Okay, children, what are these festivals called? Name some them. Christmas, Sankranti, Dasara, Ramjan. Children, look at these pictures. What do these names represent? See here, children. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikkim, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, Bahaism. These are the names of different religions adopted and practiced by the citizens of our country. In this lesson, we will learn about different religions in India. See this picture, children. India is the land where people of different religions and cultures live in harmony with religious tolerance and mutual respect. It is also the birthplaces of some great religions. The messages of love and brotherhood is evident in the celebrations of different religious festivals throughout our country. Next, see here, children. What is culture? Culture is the way of life of a group of people, their behaviors, beliefs, and values that are expected and passed from one generation to the next. What is culture, children? Culture is the way of life of a group of people, their behaviors, beliefs, and values that are expected and passed from one generation to the next generation. Okay, children, next, what is religion? Religion is a set of beliefs and practice to worship a superhuman controlling power, the supreme being or deity. Okay, children. Children, now I am going to tell you about Hinduism. Hinduism is the oldest religion of the world and the largest religion in India. It is also known as Sanatana Dharma. What is that, children? Sanatana Dharma. There is no specific person who can be considered as the founder of Hinduism. It is actually a mixture of teaching from Vedas, teachings of ancient rishis and great saints, including religional customs and traditions. These were carried forward through generations by teacher. Disciplined relations to help people lead a disciplined social life. For many people, Hinduism is a culture, a way of life, a matter of practice rather than of beliefs, and it is more than a religion. See these pictures, children. Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujanacharya, Madhavacharya, Vivekananda. Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhavacharya, Vivekananda are some of the famous advocates of this religion. Some of the major scriptures of Hinduism are the Vedas, the Upanishad, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita and Puranas. Vedas, Upanishad, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita and Puranas. Hinduism worship a number of gods and goddesses along with worshipping idols. Hindus also practice nature worship. According to them, the three lords who rule the world are Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer. The consort of Brahma, Saraswati, the goddess of learning. Vishnu consort is Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Shiva's consort is Parvati, who is worshipped as Kali or Durga, the goddess of power and strength. Brahma, Saraswati, Vishnu, Lakshmi, Shiva, Parvati. Okay, children, understood? Next, see these pictures, children. These are temples. Mount Kailash, Angkor Wat, Amarnath. Temple is the place of worship for Hindus. What is place of worship for Hindus, children? Temple is the place of worship for Hindus. There are many famous temples located in all corners of India, like Somnath in Gujarat, Badrinath in Uttarakhand, Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu, and Konark in Odisha, Varanasi, Kasi, and Kailash Manas Sarovaram in Tibet, China are considered as the holiest place for Hindus. Pashupatinath Temple in Nepal and Angkor Wat in Cambodia are also some well-known ancient Hindu temples. See these two pictures, children. Hindus believe in yoga and meditation for their physical and mental and spiritual body, mind and soul. Physical and mental and spiritual health. Next, see these pictures, children. These are some of Hindus festivals. The famous Hindus festivals are Pongal, Mahashivaratri, Holi, Sri Ramanavami, Krishna Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Dasara, Diwali, Guru Purnami and Onam. Children, you know Hindus festival? Say some festivals names. What are these festivals? This is a Vinayaka Chavithi, Sankranti, Happy Diwali, Dasara, Sri Ramanavami, Krishnashtami. Okay, children? Children, Now I am going to tell you about Islam. Islam is the second most popular religion in India and the world. The Arabic word Islam means submission or obedience, which is derived from a word meaning peace. Peace. Those who follow Islam are called Muslims. Who are follow Islam are called children Muslims. Those who are follow Islam are called Muslims. What is the word meaning, children? Peace. Muslims believe in one God. What is that God name? Allah. Allah. The most important scripture of Islam is Quran. What is scripture of Islam, children? Quran, which was revealed to Prophet Muhammad by God. Born in the Arabian city of Mecca 400 years back, Prophet Muhammad and his followers spread Islam to humanity. Namaz is the form of worshipping Allah and is performed 5 times a day by the Muslims. How many times worshipping Allah in Muslims, children? 5 times. Mosque is their place of worship. What is called place of worship? Mosque is their place of worship. Muslims believe that the Kaaba is the holiest place on the earth. All Muslims face the directions of the Kaaba during their ritual prayer. The Kaaba is located in the center of the Grand Mosque in Mecca. Mecca and Medina in Saudi Arabia are the sacred place for Muslims. Charity, which means one has to share a part of wealth to poor, is compulsory for wealthy Muslims. Fasting in the month of Ramadan is an important practice for Muslims. Jama Masjid of Delhi is the largest mosque in India. What is the largest mosque in India? Jama Masjid of Delhi is the largest mosque in Delhi. Some of the important celebrations of the Muslims are Ramadan, Bakrid, Milad-un-Nabi and Muharram. Ramadan, Bakrid, Milad-un-Nabi and Muharram is important festivals in Muslims. Okay, children, how many religions learned today? Hinduism and Islam. Okay, children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.